So for our move B of x, we're going to move to address 106 because just like the other one, we are dealing with 3 bits, so we have to increase our register or the next part by 3. We have our move operation, we have our destination, and we have our source, which I wrote out incorrectly. This should be a 202. Now we have our instruction format and what this is. So we know it's a memory to register, just like the other one, and we know it's going to be this one because it's the same thing. But this is a B of x, not an A of x. And if we go back, remember, we only looking at AL, A of x, or EAX with the special part here. So what we're just going to be looking at is memory to register. So that's going to be this first one up here. We have 1000, 101, W, and then the mod register, and then we have R dash or /M. And our W is equal to 1. We know that because we're dealing with 16-bit registers. And so we have our 1000, we have our 101, we tack on our W to make it a 1. Now we need our mod. And for the mod, we're going to have to look up here and find it. And it's going to be right here, the register/memory field encoding. So our mod is going to be 00 for this one. Our register, we can look. We know it's going to be a B of x. So if we look inside of here, our register, B of x, we can find it right here. This is the register part we're looking at. We can see that the B of x, if it's W is equal to 1, we are going to have 0, 1, 1. So our register is 0, 1, 1. I believe we're starting this always with the module at 0, 0. And then we have our R-M. And so our R-M, we know it's going to be 1, 1, 0. And this is because we have a direct address here. So our direct address is 110, and then our B of x is right here with 011, and then we're going to start off with our mod being 00. And then we combine these down here. So we have 00, we then put our register with it. So that means we have 0001. The 1 from here comes here first, and then we're going to have 1110. And that gives us an 8, a B, a 1, and an E. And now we have to take the full displacement. So we're going to take this down here. I don't know if it's exactly what it's called here, because I don't think this one involves the full displacement. If we look down here, it does not say full displacement when these do say full displacement, but we are including it here. So we know that we just take this, take the lower 2 bits, 02, that goes first, and then 02, and that goes first here. And so that's just going to give us an 02, 02, and we write it right here without the H, so it's going to go here. And that's how we would do the instruction for this B of x.